Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa, mo kí wa nílé lóko níbikíbi tẹ́ bá ti ń wò mí. Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ènìyàn mi pápátá ní ìlú Ondo State. Àkókò níbi tí a ti wá wa ló máa àkókò nílẹ̀ Òbí, ọmọ ẹlẹ́ni ẹwẹlẹ. Mo kí gbogbo wa pápátá. Èyí ni information tí mo gbé wá fún yín. Ní information tí mo gbé wá, kí ẹ farabalẹ̀ kí ẹ gbọ́. Àwọn Fúlàní wọ́n ń gbáradì láti ṣe ìkọlù sí Ondo State àti Àkókò axis. Mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ kí ẹ tẹ́tí lóko. Ẹ má fi information yìí, ẹ má fi ṣe kò kàn mí. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń kóra ń jọ, tẹ́ ń ṣòṣèlú. Àwọn Boko Haram wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe ìkọlù sí ibi tí crowd bá wà, ibi tí àwọn ọ̀pọ̀ èrò bá wà, ibẹ̀ náà wá. Ẹ ó gbọ́ nínú fọ́nrán tí mo fẹ́ release yìí. Wọ́n lẹ́nu onípọ̀n báyìí náà ti ń gbọ́ pọ̀n. Ẹ ó gbọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀. Àti ẹ̀yin tí ẹ̀ ń ṣèṣọ́ òru kiri tẹ́ ń lọ sí ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì, àti àwọn bí ilé ìwé, àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan ibi tí àwọn èèyàn bá péjọ pọ̀ sí, ibẹ̀ náà fẹ́ ṣe àkọlù sí. Ìgbọràn ó sọ̀jẹbọ rúrú lọ o. Ẹ wo àwọn tó ń lọ ṣe ìṣọ́ òru ní Kogi State. Àwọn tó ń lọ ṣe ìṣọ́ òru ní Kogi State. Ẹ wo bí wọ́n ṣe kó tiwọn. Wọ́n rí tiwọn kò ń bẹ́ o. Wọ́n kó tiwọn o. Wọ́n ti fẹ́ lọ ṣe ìṣọ́ òru, wọ́n lọ ń ṣe ìṣọ́ òru ní orí òkè. Wọ́n kàgbákò o. Wọ́n pe Jésù dáhùn o. Torí Jésù rán yín níṣẹ́. Ìgbọràn ó sọ̀jẹbọ rúrú lọ. Gbogbo bí àwọn Fúlàní ṣe ń jíyàn gbé ká ṣe ráwọn èèyàn tó ń gbọ́ràn. Wọ́n lọ kóra wọn jọ, wọ́n lọ ṣìṣọ́ òru. Fúlàní kó wọn lọ ti pásítọ̀ ti gbogbo wọn. Wọ́n pa èèyàn 3. Now wọ́n ti fi information ránṣẹ́ sí ìtànsí. Wọ́n fẹ́ ṣàkọlù sí Àkókò Ondo State. Ẹ gbáradì o. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin security wa, ojúlàlá kò fi ń ṣọ́rí o. Ìgbọràn ó sọ̀jẹbọ rúrú lọ. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ ẹ wò fọ́nrán yẹn nísìnyí. Mo sọ tèmi, mo dákẹ́ o. Gbogbo fọ́nrán tí àwọn èèyàn à ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ààbò, kí ààbò kó nípọn, káwọn olóṣèlú wa kàn gbìyànjú fún wa. A rí gbogbo bọ́n ṣe ń ṣe kiri o, torí kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe sọ tí wọ́n lè gbọ́. Wọn rán yín níṣẹ́ 2027 náà ni wọ́n ń lé kiri. Kò ní jù báyìí lọ o. Ẹ ṣeun.
Now listen to me this morning. There is a pending terror attack that is scheduled to happen between now and Friday. Between now and Friday in Ondo State. Ondo State, there is a pending terror attack that is scheduled to take place between now and Friday. I'm not coming to incite you. I'm not coming to stir your emotion. I don't do that. You know me. There is a pending terror attack in Ondo State between now and Friday. And the locations are between Akure, Akoko, and Owo. Akure, Akoko, Owo. There is a pending terror attack for Ondo State between now and Friday. Akoko, Akure, Owo. These are the locations. These are the locations. Now, the target of this attack is on churches, a security outpost, or any large gatherings. This is a Salah period. The target of the attack are churches, security outpost, or any form of large gatherings. Large gatherings more than 10, where there are a lot of people. There is a pending terror attack. I'm saying this and I'm saying it with all seriousness. There is a pending terror attack in Ondo State between today and Friday. And the target is churches, security outposts, or any large gatherings. This is not a new thing. 2 days ago, they did it in Kwara State, where a church was having a night vigil. They went in, killed 3, took 15 hostage. The children, the 42 children that were taken, and the civilians and all the people that were taken on your state are still there. They are still there. They are still in the deaths of kidnappers. The 37 victims that were taken on Easter Day in Kaduna State are still there. The government is busy with party politics. So now why I'm saying this one is that if you're not careful and you fall a victim, you have a government that will not care about you. You will remain there, they will kill you, slay you, do whatever they want to like to you. The man at the helm of affairs who is busy is busy politicking. They will not do any. Your life is inconsequential to them. I'm saying it this morning. This is Monday morning. I have other things I should be doing. I need to tell you now. There's a pending terror attack on Ondo State. And you need to listen and listen well now. Akoko, Akure, Owo. These are the target. And these are the places they are intended to target. Churches, security outposts, large gatherings of celebration. There is a pending terror attack. You can dismiss this and say, this and that. No problem. No problem. It is better we say it than doesn't happen, than for we to keep this information and then it happens. There's a pending terror attack. You have to be careful. Be very careful of large gatherings this period. Churches, ensure you mount people. Pass this message to all the churches in Akure in Ondo State. Mount men around your location of church in your churches. Let them watch. Let them set up watchmen that will be watching. Ensure you monitor movement. These boys that are doing iron condemn, these Fulani boys that are doing iron condemn, these Hausa boys that are doing shoemakers, and all those boys that do as if they are packing debts. Monitor them. Be very, very careful. Mount men, don't have any gathering this period between now and Friday unless you have people that are watching over your place. Mount men everywhere. There's a pending terror attack. If you don't take any action, if you don't do anything, eventually happen, you will die for nothing. Now, for the obtained time, I'm going to repeat this. Organize yourself in every local government. For now, this is for everybody now, not for only on those state. Organize yourself in every local government. Look for guns. Arm yourselves. Arm yourself with guns. Arm yourselves because people are asking me, okay, Apostle, what do we now do with all this? What do you want to do? I've told you before in another video. I'm saying it now again. Organize yourselves in every local government. Organize yourselves and arm yourselves. If you're in diaspora, speak with your community leaders here. Support them with resources. Arm yourselves. Organize yourselves. In squad of 5, 10, put yourself in order. Then wait for them to come. In every part of Nigeria now. Anytime they come, make sure you send them back to the head they came from. Don't arrest them. So, Amoteku, what is wrong with your brain? What is wrong with you people's brain? That you arrested and you are handing them over to security operative. Why are you handing them over? Does it not occur to you that they will be released? Does it not occur to you that there will be no consequence whatsoever on those guys? Why will you arrest those people you arrested and you are taking them back to the security operatives? No. When you catch them, you send them back to hell. You send them to where they belong. You don't return them back to the Nigerian government will release them. They might even pay them. Because they do that a lot. So pay them. Organize yourselves. When they come for you, ensure that you return the fire. Go and arm yourself at this time. Anybody that wants to come and disarm you, to say they are in form of one military, they are wearing army uniform, or whatever uniform, anybody that wants to take away your weapon at this time is after your life. He wants you to die. So therefore, treat such a person with same treatment like you would do a terrorist. Exactly what you would do to a jihadist, exactly what you do to an Islamist, exactly what you do with a bandit or a Boko Haram or a Fulani bastard is exactly what you should do to that person. I don't care which security outfit is coming from. I don't care which force is coming from. If they have come to take away your weapon, listen to me. You are in the south-south. You are in the southwest. You are in the north-central. You are in the east. Go and get yourself armed. Any man, any woman, any police or army or air force, whosoever want to come and take away your weapon is after your life. He wants to make you vulnerable. So that the moment they come to attack you to kill you, you have nothing to defend yourself. And let me tell you, you will die for nothing. Your government will never move. It will never move them. It will not move them. You will die and go like that. So this is the information I need to tell you this morning. There are a lot of things to talk about. But for now this morning, Ondo State, Akoko, Akure, Owo, there's a pending attack between now and Friday. Ensure you avoid large gathering. And if you must have a large gathering, set up watchmen. Question every suspected person. Ensure this attack doesn't happen. Be safe. Stay safe. Then your communities, get yourself weapon. Arm yourself. Ensure nobody come and take your life unnecessarily like that. I've told you my own. You can either accept this or you can discard it. Thank you.